Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and obviously you guys could see that I have received my new light bar. So anywho, today's video, because I was actually supposed to make a video yesterday, but it always happens that after work I'm just really exhausted and tired. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So if you guys are interested to know what small YouTubers receive, then please keep on watching. Alright, I'm gonna start with Profusion. I actually unboxed this one already, so I do apologize if I don't have like the large box. It's just because I just really wanted to throw it away, and I really got excited, okay, I admit. And I was like, you know what, let's save it. If I only knew that I will be receiving a lot, I could have saved it, you know, because I didn't really expect to receive more stuff in the mail. So that's pretty weird. So if this thing goes on, then I'll definitely open up a P.O. box. So if there are companies that wanted to send me products, well, then feel free. So anywho, this is what they sent to me. Let's start with this box, okay? It was actually in a really nice box, and there's pink gift stuffer, gift wrapper. It's super cute with hearts on it. And then in this box, there's chocolate. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Profusion is one of those brands when I was just starting out. I know that it's actually the first or the second brand that I have reviewed on my channel. So that is very memorable to me because I remember when John Ray and I moved to a new location, we went to CVS, and he doesn't know much about brands, so there was NYX, which is $30, and there was Profusion, which is $14. So that was the Pro Elevation Kit. So if you guys have been following me for a long time now, you guys know what I'm talking about. I've used that palette for like a really long time, and I can't even throw that away because every time I look at it, like, wow, this is the reason why I started YouTube. So the first item that I'm going to show to you is the Smoky Eyes palette, and it has some instructions in the back, which is really amazing, perfect for beginners. And this is very affordable. Usually Profusion is $20 and below. I believe this is around, if it's not $8, it's $6. But at least while we're doing this unboxing video, you guys already know what to expect on my channel. So let me just open it up. This seriously looks like the Naked Smoky palette. I think they're discontinuing it or something. So it looks like that. And then it comes along with a dual-sided brush, which is really nice because you already have a blending brush and you already have like your usual shadow brush. So thank you. And another one is their Pro Conceal and Contour Kit. So I have been using their contouring palette for like so long, and it's like a replica of the Kat Von D one, and I can definitely tell you guys that it looks good. Looks really good. This is what it looks like, and of course I will be reviewing this one as well. So this one is going to be available at Target, and this one is online only. But if you're lucky, you can see them in TJ Ross, Max, Burlington, you know, those kinds of stores. Probably 5 and Below. And then the last one from Profusion is this eye and cheek set. Now, I know that I've mentioned this before. Like I said, like, you know what? If things go well in the future, Profusion, I'm literally willing to collaborate with them because their products, especially their contour kit, is amazing and it really works. You know what I mean? Even their blushes are really good. So it also comes with a long... what's happening? It also comes along with this dual brush, which is awesome. And I really can't wait to create a look on this one. Ooh. And also, like, wow, you know. I don't know why I can't talk. So, ooh, I wonder what this is. By the way, if you guys are wondering, like, why do I talk like this? I can't really function that much. Oh my gosh, guys. I found my owl mug again at Burlington. So buy this mug. It will remind me. It will remind you of me. I have the silver version of this one, but it broke because I keep on putting it in a microwave and heat like a lot of stuff, and I use it every day. Like I literally tortured that mug. And then I saw this and I was like, babe, babe, can I buy like 3 of them? I was like, no, just buy 1. And I'm like, so I really have to get my license so I really can do like whatever I want. So my evil plan is that if ever I get my license, I would probably, sad to say, I'd probably look for another job because I don't like drama, guys. I don't love drama at work. I'm not about that life, okay? I don't really like people. You know what? You can never really win in life. I just found out that people were talking about us, and I'm like so upset because I'm not that person, you know? I'm not fake. Like, I'm a happy person, as you can tell. Like, happy all the time, giving customer service. And then I found out that they do that. I was like, that's so sad. Like, why? But you know what? You can't please everybody, okay? Oh, wow. This is from Luxury Scent Box. Look at the packaging. This is awesome. Open this up. Wow. And this is what it looks like. Does this remind you guys of something? That. Literally, the packaging just really have blown me away. Thank you for becoming a member, matching you with a perfect scent, 1 fragrance at a time. All right, so this is what it looks like, guys. You know what? Let me show you first. Ta-da! Let me get that. So you can just twist it like that, like a lipstick, and then you're probably gonna get the vibe. Oh yes. Bonjour, señorita. That smells so good. I don't even know these scents, okay? They just randomly sent the scent to me. Hold on. How am I gonna put this back? Okay, you know what? All right, I guess I did it right. Oh my gosh, it's not going back. I'll fix that later. Don't worry. The goal is to save time. The goal is to save your precious time. Okay. I'm going to do this carefully because I don't want to break my nail. Ta-da! They are so cute. I can't, okay? And then this one is Versace. No freaking way. No way. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you, Luxury Scent Box. I can't. Very generous. They gave me 2. Very generous. Very, very generous for a small-time YouTuber like me. Very generous. Thank you for appreciating my hard work. Let me just put this back in the box. I can't wait to talk to you guys about this. I'm gonna read more about it, of course, and then compare it, and then, you know, and then, who's this from? Okay, Kevi Argan Oil. Ooh, interesting, interesting. Oh my gosh, guys, watching my videos back before, like, hi Jess, thank you, Kevi. Oh, yo. Thank you so much, thank you. Wow, Argan Oil. Repairs damage and dry, leaving hair soft. Okay, so Kevi probably realized that I have ugly ass hair. No, just kidding, Kevi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I can't wait to try this one because I've tried so many oils. Like, I tried the agave last time. That one is good, and let's see if this one is so much better. So let me just open one up so you guys can see and know what I'm saying now. Just wanna time. By the way, Carmen D, if you're watching, you probably noticed She said that, oh, you're getting skinny. Girl, we didn't have a fridge for like a week since we moved here. That's the secret, okay? So I can pretty much eat whatever I want. And I'm not starving for it. So if you guys want to lose weight, then don't have a fridge. And hi, Donna. Donna says that she's watching my videos. Hey, girls, you at work? Know what I'm saying? Kiwi Argan Oil from Morocco. Look at that. I love the packaging. Am I weird, or I really have a thing for packagings? What about you? Oh my goodness, it smells really good. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna style my hair using this, and let's see what happens. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, guys. And then the next one that I have here is, I'm trying to like, look at my scissor, this flimsy ass scissor that I'm working with. Oh, it's from Beauty Big Bang. Wow, look. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, these are marble brushes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And then, I feel like it's my birthday and I'm unboxing gifts. This is nice because nobody gives me gifts on my birthday, except my family. Ooh, okay. Guys, this is the, you know what? Let me drink some coffee because I'm sorry, guys. I'm literally, there you go. All right, what do we have here? It says black chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Oh my gosh, this doesn't really smell anything at all, but this is like the magic transforming lipstick. How am I gonna use this? I'm not gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Okay. Can't wait to create a Valentine's makeup look for this. Wow. And then the last one that I have from them is, that's me like trying to look cute, looking at the camera, trying to see if I look right. The last one from Beauty Big Bang is lashes. Wow, thank you so much. This is a lot, like 1, 2, 10? Yeah, 10. And wow, this is pretty good. Look at the lash band. Oh my gosh, like a random number is trying to call me and I'm like, no. It's probably, you know when you move to a house and then a lot of people are trying to sell you stuff? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, I can't wait to use this. I feel like I'm gonna be like a butterfly when I put this on, but I can't wait because I love dramatic lashes, okay? And of course, I will let you guys know what type of lashes this is. So again, that is from Beauty Big Bang, G20. And then the last package that I have right here, I don't know what this is. Now I'm gonna section them together. Oh, actually, this is the second to the last, okay? Oh, okay. This is the Aliza Cleanser 3-in-1 Face Cleansing Paper. Wow. I wonder what I wonder what that is. Okay, it says here, a revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin. So it's like a piece of paper and then you wet it. Is this very similar to like the paper soaps? Like when have you heard of that, like paper soaps? Like perfect for traveling. So we'll see if this one really works. I wear makeup almost every day except today because I'm just about to go to work and wear a lot of makeup and then you'll not recognize me. So I can't wait to try it out. I'll let you know if it works. Thank you, Aliza. And then the last one is from Influenster. So guys, it took me probably 8 months or 6 months to receive a box from Influenster. So if you guys are frustrated because you've never received like oh my gosh, thanks guys. If you guys have never received like a package from Influencer, don't be upset, because again, it took me like so long to get a box. So 2 of my boxes, actually 3 of my boxes got stolen. The first box that I got was actually food, and this is the second one. So I'm happy that it successfully arrived where it's supposed to arrive, okay? So let's open it up. Where am I looking? Let's open it up. Becca Bright Eyes. Yesterday I went to work and they said like, are you crying? And I was like, no, what's up? Like your face, your eyes look like you were crying. I was like, no, I'm not crying. That's just my eye bags. This is natural. That's naturally like that. People would comment on my Instagram photo and tell me that, dang, you need some sleep. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, I did have a sleep. So, under eye brightening corrector. This is probably either pink or yellow, but I'm not so sure. This is what it looks like. Can't wait to try it out. Is this going to be similar to the erase paste? Comment down below. Have you guys tried it? And then I have the under eye primer. I've never heard of an under eye primer before. I mean, I've tried face primer, but I've never tried under eye primer. Can I use this for my eyeshadow too? Ooh, look at the packaging. Wow. You know what? I didn't smell anything. Is my nose leaking? Hold on, excuse me guys. Oh my gosh, I'm disgusting. I'm so sorry. I'm just being like a human, I guess. Under eye brightening setting powder. This is really cute. Oops. Packaging is so good. All right, that's it. That's everything, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe because we're cool. We're not cool. I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy Sunday.